I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating the console and choosing the display roles. This matters for resolution and HDR. Connect an HDMI splitter or a capture card to the Xbox HDMI OUT and route one cable to each monitor. Once done, set the primary monitor where you want UI and audio to default. Make sure both monitors support the resolution you plan to use. This first step establishes signal routing, so the Xbox can feed two screens reliably without manual switching. Next, you configure Xbox display settings to match both monitors. Go to TV and display options and choose a resolution and refresh rate that both monitors support. Otherwise, the signal will drop or stutter. If one monitor lacks HDR or differing color depth, disable HDR or set color space to standard on the secondary. This prevents flicker and audio interruptions. Once the console outputs a stable signal to both, adjust display scaling on each monitor for text clarity and button mapping comfort. To finish, you verify functionality. Launch a game, open the dashboard, and check audio and chat on both monitors. If one monitor shows no signal, swap cables and try an active splitter or a powered HDMI switch. Passive splitters often fail with HDCP and HDR. If problems persist, restart the console and monitors, update firmware on any capture devices, and recheck settings. Key tip: if video handshake fails, a powered splitter or capture pass-through usually resolves HDCP and sync conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.